Hi guys, my name is Sugandhan and you are watching SJ Robotics. Oh wait, name change हो गया है. So the channel name is Sukarna Jana. Basically innovative tech architect. Okay, so in today's video we will be focusing on the two main problems for which I faced a very huge problem. So the thing is, as you can see in front of you, there are two images where I'm using two Raspberry Pis. Where one of the Raspberry Pi is using wireless connection, it will take the hotspot from the Wi-Fi and it will convert it into Ethernet and it will give it to any of the device whatever you want. And another side, you can see one more Raspberry Pi where it takes the Ethernet connection and give it as a hotspot. So in both of these issues, when I did Chat GPT, I did Gemini, I did all Google search, Stack Overflow, went through so many YouTube videos, all those things. Honestly speaking, none of them helped me a lot except one website and some general knowledge in Ethernet to Wi-Fi thing. Okay, so we will discuss on this because I know the pain because I struggled. I don't want my viewers struggles all those pains. Okay, so we will see one by one. So first thing we will go with the Ethernet to Wi-Fi. Example, you have a device. Okay. You have multiple devices in your home which you want to which runs on Wi-Fi. It doesn't have, like example, take an example of phone or the old laptop or anything. Or MacBook also. No offense. So in that we don't have Ethernet cable, right? So we can't plug Ethernet. So the common source of getting internet is basically our Wi-Fi, right? So example, you have a router in your home. It's a not router. Not router, right? It's a very bad example. Okay, example, you have a Raspberry Pi in your home. Now you came to your college or your office. You're not allowed to access the Wi-Fi wherever you are, but you can see there is one LAN connection, so you can connect the LAN and you can use it. But thing is, we can't use LAN. We can't convert the LAN into Wi-Fi, right? So that's why we are bringing this Raspberry Pi into the picture, where it will take the LAN connection from the board. Example, just assume this green color LAN cable is connecting to the switchboard of your office or else any workplace or anywhere, wherever you want. Okay, it is connected, the LAN is connected and it is giving on its own hotspot where you can connect multiple devices and you can go with it. Example, I can also show you here. Mm, if I turn on my hotspot, you can see here it's written like Raspberry Pi hotspot. I guess you can see or not. So commonly, now what is the normal way we turn on the hotspot, right? Let me show you that first. So this is a Raspberry Pi interface. The Raspberry Pis are connected behind me. So here, if I go in the disconnecting issue, connection place where it is showing a LAN icon. So here we go to hotspot advanced setting, create a wireless hotspot, and we create a normal wireless hotspot, and this now it turns on. But thing with the issue with this is like it will turn on only once. Like it will be there in the cache file. Every time you need to manually turn on. But if you want to make it run automatically whenever the Raspberry Pi turns on, just it will turn on the hotspot also. So you should go with service. I guess you know the service. What is the service thing which is commonly used in Linux, where it will be auto running the scripts in the background, which will be keep on running in the background. Um, Whenever the Raspberry Pi boots up. Not only Raspberry Pi, any Linux computer. Okay, so let me show you the command first. So this is the command to turn on a hotspot. So sudo means super user do and nmcli, by which you will go do all the networking stuffs where you are saying the Wi-Fi should be as a hotspot. And here I have given SSID. This is my SSID Raspberry Pi hotspot which you saw just now in my phone, and this is a password 128 password and iframe WLAN. Now this is the one of the thing which you should focus on. Like WLAN 0, it means that I am using the Raspberry Pi's inbuilt Wi-Fi module. Now if you are not satisfied with that, like the speed is not good, you want a more speed or you want more range, you can connect external also. Let me show you one external one. Yeah, so this is a normal Raspberry Pi. As you can see in the top corner, you will have a one small triangular thing which will be showing, like, which is basically a Wi-Fi antenna. But if you are not satisfied with the signal of this Raspberry Pi, you can use this kind of external dongles also, which will give a like more vast range. That time you just need to convert this WLAN 0 into WLAN 1, 2, 3, whatever it has been there. You just need to type ifconfig and you will get to know what is the name given to your external USB dongles, wireless Wi-Fi dongles. Okay. This is the way where you can turn on your hotspot. Now the thing is, you should know how to make a service, because this command, what I will do, I will just put this command into my service page, and it will auto run. So since it's the era of chat gpt and gemini on all the AI tools, I will show you from the AI tools, because I'm not a pandit or something. I also did chat gpt only, just I have used little bit of brain, you can say. So I told that this is the command by which I can turn on the hotspot, and it told that, and I told that make me a service page. Now as we know that it's a wlan thing, so if I see, it told me to make a sudo nano. Nano means it's an edited text editor by which you can make the all the configurations. So it made a file name. This is a file name, RPiHotspot.service. You made a service file, and you will put all this command. See, the same command whatever I have given, it's here. The same command you need to put here, and make sure that the username is based on this. In my case, the username is nvm. So in your case, whatever the username is, put that. Otherwise, it will be creating an issue. Or else you need to check the status of that. So once you write the service page, now you need to enable it. Once you enable it, like system control enable the service page name, and once you enable it, you should start it. Okay, to diagnose it, instead of start, you will write status. If you want to disable it, just type disable in the place of start, and if you want to remove, you can just type remove in the place of start. Okay, in this way, you have made a service by which it will turn on the hotspot every time the Raspberry Pi turns on. So this is how you can fix how to convert the LAN connection into a hotspot connection, right? Now, second issue which I faced a lot, let me show you, was this one. Converting a wireless connection, like taking internet from any wireless source and giving to Ethernet. Let us assume that you have a little bit of trust issue with the like open source Wi-Fi connections which are there in outside surrounding, like college Wi-Fi, or some cafeteria, anywhere, like any public area where you have that trust issue, like am I going to get hacked or something, right? In that kind of place, you can use this kind of Raspberry Pi where you can put a firewall, or else you can put your own VPN, all multiple things. Because see, now you will say like we have no VPN. Why should I download a new? Why should I make it with a Raspberry Pi? Guys, if you are an innovator, not innovator, if you are a tech enthusiast, you commonly don't make the things, like not make the things, like generally we don't like to use which is there already in market. We always try to do it manually, and when you do it manually, you learn the things, right? I'm an engineer, that's why. So here again the thing was to converting a converting the Wi-Fi, like the hotspot which will be given from my device, to convert it to LAN. You can see this green color is coming, and this is a LAN cable which is connected. Like this one was connected through my phone hotspot, and it was taking that, and it was giving through LAN, and it was giving to this one, and again it was giving a hotspot to me. So it was just to show a demo, because demos are demos, right? And if you don't know, one more thing. Hi, I'm working in Scanpic. It's one of the startup which makes vending machine in Bangalore. So please do follow them in Instagram. No, not Instagram. I mean LinkedIn. And they will be keep on updating you with their products. Okay, both promotion. Okay, let's come back to the work. So for this one also, I have went through so many YouTube videos and websites, all this thing. In that, only one of the website which helped me genuinely, if I say, was this one. Now in this one also, there was one small issue. I will help you to, I will make sure that you don't have face the same issue. um so this is the website, DIYhobby.com, where you get to know the entire thing, like how to enable Wi-Fi from an Ethernet, like send your Wi-Fi through the Ethernet. This is the thing. You have a YouTube video also. Go and see it. I will give the link in the below, by which it will be helpful for you. I really appreciate this guy. He saved my day. So what they have done, they have configured the DSCP. Okay, in DSCP they have told you should disable Ethernet, all those things, and you should save it. These are the basic things you can see in their videos also. And here they are giving the static IP address to broadcast the things. And here they are installing DSCP mask by which they can, sorry, DNS masking by which they can do all the port forwarding things, all those things. Yeah, magical internet world things. So this is you can go through it. Then OpenSSH. Basically, OpenSSH is not required because I don't feel like we require it, right? So all these things. Then from here, the main step from the step 5, the main things comes. Then how to interface. So you will go to the wireless connection and you will give a hotspot and SSID. You can do it manually also, no need. Else, whenever you burn it, like example, if I show you the Raspberry Pi imager, if you do it if you go here, when you choose a storage and all those things in the next option. hmm, in the next option basically you will get an option of configuring your Wi-Fi hotspot, all these things you can do all these things. So neglect all these things, focus on the step number 6, which is the most important thing, where what you will be doing, you will be configuring all the system controls. So you will go to system control, you will do the port forwarding to the one where you are saying that whatever data is coming, just forward it to one. Okay, now here you are echoing that to the IP forwarding. Then see tablesheet.sh. This is a command which is been used to do all the IP routing things. So I'll suggest you to install and keep this IP table. Okay, like this one, IP table. If you don't have this one, if these commands are giving you error, just always chat GPT, Gemini, everything is there. No need to bang your head every time. Just type how to install. So it will give you with a few magical words. Run this command, and yeah, you can install that IP table which is not mentioned in this blog. So oh shit, yeah, which is not mentioned in this blog. So all these things you need to run. So once you do all these things, voila, you are ready to share your internet from the mm, like what to say, Wi-Fi to LAN. But there's one catch. Here, if you see it properly, rc.local. Here, rc.local, what it does, like whenever you turn on the terminal, this is a script which runs every time. So this they say that to run this command, like iptable minus restore, which is there in etc port for ipv4.net, this thing it says to put it in rc.local. I will give you one my personal suggestion. Don't do that, because for this one you should always open a terminal. Now, if you want to make it automated, like whenever the Raspberry Pi turns on, it should do it by itself. Again, you know what to do. You do want to make a service. So to make a service, again we are not Pandit, so we will go and ask Gemini only to make and give us. Like I have this command, make me a service. Ast- Again it will give me some data. So it told like how to make a service, then it told to run this command. So if you run this command, what will happen every time you every time the Raspberry Pi boots up, it will run it by automatically. Because if you do it in rc.local, you need to open a terminal, you need to do SSH or putty, whatever you want to do, you need to do, and you know other things. But I want to make it automated by itself without even touching the Raspberry Pi. So in that case, you should make it as a service. So paste this command into those places. So this is a small updation which was there here and there. So by that you can just make a project done. So this was a blog which helped me a lot. Actually, I really appreciate this guy. So just do follow him or check his steps. But for me personally, if I say for me the main was from step 6. Step 6 was beneficial. Then here it was like IP table was not installed, so I installed the IP table, then run all these codes. Then here it says that rc.local, rc.local, as I told, the rc.local will always come in the terminal areas, not like if you don't have connected to putty or not, you don't have any display also, where if it's in really like running in CLI mode or any mode. If you don't have anything, then rc.local is not a good option. So you should go with the services page. So I told you how to use Gemini also to make a service page. And yeah, that's how your entire project done. So by this we have tackled two issues: how to convert your Wi-Fi into, how to transfer your wireless connection into a wired connection, And in the beginning of the video, we have learned how to convert your wired connection into wireless connection. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Great day, night, evening, whatever it is. Just enjoy your life. Don't don't make your life more harder. You have to enjoy your life. Have a nice days, years, months. Signing off.